Hi, my name is Rucha and I'm here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see 8th standard Sanskrit of Maharashtra State Board. We will see one new chapter which is K Kurvanti. Okay, let's see. Before studying this chapter, you'll have to refer to the Bhasha Sutram earlier video in which I taught you this table, which was Sataute, Sate Taha, Tatte Tani, Pratham Purush, Tvam Yuvam Yuyam, Madhyam Purush, Aham Avam Vayam, Uttam Purushya. And then there was one more table which was Ti Tah Anti, Si Tha Tha, Mi Vahama. You will say Sa Taute, Sa Te Taha, Tatte Tani Pratham Purush, Tvam Yuvam Yuyam Madhyam Purush, Aham Avam Vayam, Uttam Purush. Then you say Ti Tah Anti, Si Tha Tha, Mi Vahama. Okay, and these are the markings. See, I have marked it with pink color. They will go with this, ta will go with this, and anti will they. Okay, likewise you'll have to just go with it. Okay, and then the K Kurvanti chapter becomes simpler. Okay, see, these are students and they are studying. Okay, so I'll write here that becomes easier for you to understand. Saha, tau, and te. Saha is used when the person is far from you. Okay, tau is used when two people are there. Okay, Saha is used only one people are there, and these are all for far. Okay, te is used when there are many and they are far. Okay, now if they are near, you will put a before it. Okay, so esa is not there, you will say eshah. Okay, we saw eshah asimah, this is asim, you remember? Yeah. Then you have etau, eshah, etau, and ete. Ete is used when there many people are there and they will be near you. Okay, te is used when they are far. Okay, so ete is used when they are near you. Okay, शुरू में it becomes difficult to just remember, but आप जैसे आगे जाओगे it will become very much easier. ये छोटे छोटे points है जो आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं. It becomes easier later. Okay, so you need remember esha etau ete and saha taute. Okay, so let's start with te ashvaha. Okay, then see, I'll start with te because these are horses and they are far from you, so they are using te. Te ashvaha. Ashvaha is horses. Now why ashvaha? Why not ashvaha? You may ask me this, right? I am trying to make it very much clearer for you. Okay, so why ashvaha? Why not ashvaha? See, there are three particular lines which you need to keep in mind. See, devaha, devau, devau, devaha. Okay, devaha. What is this? Devaha is used when there is one god. Deva is used when there are two gods. And devaha is used when there are three or more than three. Okay, and this deva is masculine. Okay, masculine in gender. Now I'll say mala, male, malaha. Okay, this is the first line, okay, of the table. Deva table you might have known by now. Okay, this is a big table. This is only the first line I am telling. Okay, because here you require only one line. Mala, male, malaha. Mala is a garland. Okay, and when you're using feminine, you'll refer to mala table. Okay, mala, male, malaha. Mala is one, male is two garlands, and malaha is many. Okay, so when you're referring female, you'll refer malaha. And there is one more table which is vanam, vane, and then vanani. Okay, this will be used for neuter. Vana is forest, neuter. It is not masculine also, it is not feminine also, so it will be neuter. Vanam is one forest, vane is two, and vanani is many forests. Okay, now so here when you are talking about masculine, we will refer to devaha, devau, devaha. Okay, so let's see. There was devaha and hence it is ashvahaya. Okay, you get me? So I am trying to make it clearer for you. When you get familiar with these tables, it gets easier. Okay, so here you have te ashvaha, right? Yeah. So te ashvaha, those are horses. Okay. Te dhavanti, see it is te, so you get dhavanti. Okay, they are running or they run. Okay, both the ways you can use. Ke dhavanti, who run? Te ashvaha dhavanti, those horses run. So te is those. Okay, now similar, when it becomes nearer, the thing comes near you, it will be, you add a in front of that te. Okay, so it becomes nearer. So this is ete chhatraha, these are students, they are near you. Ete pathanti, they study. Okay, or they are studying. Okay, or these, this is these are students. Okay, so you will not say these study, this you say they study. Okay, ke pathanti, who study or who read. Pathanti is also read. Okay, ete chhatraha pathanti, these students read or study. Okay, then next is you getting me, right? If not, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, if it gets longer, if you're not trying to if you're not understanding, you let me know. Okay, then it is chhatraha likhanti. Why it is so? Because see, these are students. Okay, and girls and boys are mixed here. So I told you devah devau devaha, right? And mala male malaha, right? So both, in the both cases it becomes chhatraha only. So chhatraha likhanti, students write. Likhanti is to write. Purushaha upavishanti, purusha is men, upavishanti is to sit. Okay, purusha upavishanti, men sit. Okay, then shakataha gachanti. What is shakataha? Shakataha is bullock carts. Okay, shakataha gachanti is carts are going. Okay, gachanti is to go, and then balakaha pashyanti, kids are or children see. Okay, children see. Then they have given you some words which are, and you need to use them, right? Shikshak, Vaidya, Chitrakar, Gayak, Sainika, Yachaka, Vruddha, Purusha, Balaka, Simha, Rakshaka. Like you can say Shikshakaha, Likhanti, Vaidyaha, Upavishanti, like that. Okay, then we'll move to feminine part. Okay, Etaha and Taha. So here we will see Mala, Male, Malaha, the table. Okay, Mala, Male, Malaha. Okay, so these are many, so we'll always refer Malaha here. So forget about Mala and Male, now we'll refer Malaha. Okay, so Etaha, Balikaha, these are girls. Okay, Etaha, Vadanti, they say. Vadanti is to say or they talk. Okay, say or to talk, it is Etaha Vadanti. Kaha Vadanti, who talk? Etaha Balika Vadanti, these girls talk. Okay, then another sentence, Vidyarthinyah is students. Okay, girls who are students, it will become Vidyarthini. Okay, the word is Vidyarthini. See, I'll write Vidyarthini like that. Okay, and then when it is plural, it becomes Vidyarthinyah, like Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. These are tables which you will use later. So this, they should not have given you this word so much early, because I consider you to be smaller. Nadyah is there, so you will require Vidyarthinyah when it is plural. Like Nadyah, it becomes Vidyarthinyah. Okay, so let's see the sentence. It is Taha Vidyarthinyah. So Taha is for those, right? So they are far from you. You will say those are girls who are students. Okay, so then Taha Nrityanti, they dance, they are dancing. Kaha Nrityanti, who dance? Ta Vidyarthinyah Nrityanti, those female students dance. Okay, then Chatakaha kujanti. See, kujanti is when the birds sing, you will say kujanti. Chatakaha is sparrows. Okay, so sparrows sing. Okay, then Mahilaha namanti. These females are praying. Okay, then or the females pray. You use are praying or are only pray, it is the same because present tense and present continuous tense is same in Sanskrit. Pipilikaha gachanti. Ants go or ants are going. Then taha khelanti. Those girls play. Okay. Shikshakha shabdam vadati. Chhatraha bahuvachanam vadanti. Like that is yatha tatha dilvi. Yatha मापिका मापिकाः पेटिका पेटिका पेटिकाः छात्रा छात्राः वैद्या वैद्याः ओके देन निवेदिका निवेदिकाः पुस्तिका पुस्तिकाः then see here it is anguli lekhani Kupi and Droni. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadya. So Anguli will become Angulyah. Lekhani will become Lekhanyah. Kupi will become Kupyah. And Droni will become Dronyah. Why? Because it is ending in E, right? Vidyarthi, Ni, Nadi, Anguli, Lekhani, Kupi and Droni. It ends in E. So the table becomes different. Okay. Sanskrit is very structured language. Okay, so so you'll have to apply tables whenever you speak in Sanskrit. Okay, so here we are on page number 9. Okay, and then etani and tani. What is this? This is for neuter gender. What is neuter gender? But it is not feminine, masculine. It is not feminine. It will be neuter, like flowers. Okay, we see masculine, no, we say feminine, no, we say neuter. Okay, so if there is fruit, you will also say neuter gender, right? So we saw saha taute sate tat tat te tani, right? Tat te tani. So it is tat te tani is for neuter gender, right? And this tani is when the thing is far. So you add a in front of it when it is near and it becomes etani. Okay, etani kamalani, that is these are lotuses. Okay, etani vikasanti. Vikasanti is to bloom. Okay, these bloom, you will say these bloom. Then kani vikasanti, what blooms? Etani kamalani vikasanti. Kani vikasanti is like what in plural sense. Okay, these lotuses bloom. Okay, then we saw it, right? Tat kamalam tat vikasati. Okay, in ka kim, you remember that was like etat kamalam. So here it is etani kamalani. Okay, then tani patrani. Patrani is leaves. Leaves. Okay, so these are leaves. Patte, tani patrani, those are leaves. Okay, tani patanti, those fall. Kani patanti, what falls? Tani patrani patanti, those leaves fall. Vimanani gachanti. Vimanani is aeroplanes, go. Okay, so you say aeroplanes go. Okay, vimanani gachanti. Yanani tishtanti. Yanani is vehicles. Yanam is vehicle, so yanani becomes vehicles. Okay, many. So tishtanti is to stand or they wait. Or you will say yanani, vehicles stand or vehicles are waiting. They wait. Then here is vahanani dhavanti. Vahan is also vehicle. Okay, so dhavanti, they move. Okay, you will not say run. You can also say that, but fine, vehicles are moving, you say. Okay, then they are running on the road, right? Then chitram drushta vakyam likhata. So these are fruits, right? Mangoes, they are falling. So you will write falani patanti, right? Falani, you will say falani patanti, right? Then here are Relayanani. You'll say these are trains, right? So you'll say Relayanani Tishtanti. Okay. Relayanani Tishtanti. Okay. Then put a halanta. Okay. After completing, we are used to put that. I'm telling you. Okay. Then Pushpani Vikasanti. Okay. These are flowers and they are blooming, right? Vikasanti. You'll say Pushpani Vikasanti. Then, so these are fans and they are moving. So one fan in Sanskrit is called Vyajanam. So here you Vyajanani Brahmanti. Okay, they are moving, right? So you write Vyajanani Brahmanti. Okay, put a halanta. Okay, then you have Bhasha Abhyasa. Okay, that you need to solve the exercise. Ete Simha Garjanti. See, Simha ka plural will become Simhaha. I told you Simhaha, right? Okay, so it will become Ete Simhaha Garjanti. Okay, then Ke ka kani yanani dhavanti. So yanani dhavanti it is. Yanam is neuter, right? You need to identify. So yanani is from vanam vane vanani, I told you, right? So yanani is neuter. So neuter is kani. So kani yanani dhavanti. It is the question. Okay. Then next mahilaha. It is mahilaha vadati. No, it is only one mahila vadati. But if it is many, if they are many, you will say mahilaha vadanti. So remember mahila vadati and mahilaha vadanti. Okay. Then fourth, dash balikaha nrutyanti. Taha balikaha, right? Malaha, we did that. And sahataute sate taha, right? Taha balikaha nrutyanti. Dash vahanti, nadi. So nadi, only nadi, it will be vahati. Okay, but if it is nadi, nadyav, nadyah. Okay, nadyah vahanti. Okay, nadi nadyav nadyah nadim nada nadihi. This is another table. So nadyah vahanti. Then next is vaidyaha pashyanti. Okay, vaidyaha, it is many, right? So it will be vaidyaha pashyanti. Okay, so the answers to this is simhaha, then kani, then vadanti, then taha, then nadyah, and here pashyanti. Nadyah, right? Then parichedam purayata. You need to complete this passage. Okay. Pibanti is drink, bhavanti is become, te is those, milanti is to come together, pashyanti is to see. Okay, so let's see the pariched. Grishmavakashe सर्वेशस्य गृहे कोऽपि नास्ति. Now grishmavakase, grishma is summer, so grishmavakase is during summer vacations. Okay, sarveshasya gruhe, at sarvesh's place, at sarvesh's home, koऽपि nasi, there is nobody. अतः सर्वेशः उपेन्द्रः अभिषेकः च सर्वे एकत्र. That is atah is therefore. Sarveshah Upendrah, these are friends. Abhishekah and Abhishekah cha. So that is Sarveshah Upendra cha Abhishekah, like that. Okay. Sarvesh Upendra and Abhishek. You put cha after Abhishek. Sarvesha Upendra Abhishekah cha Sarve Ekatra Milanti. They all come together. Then dash sanganake chitrapatam pashyanti. Sanganake is on computer. Chitrapatam pashyanti is see a movie. You will use te, right? Te sanganake chitrapatam pashyanti. Kinchit samayanantaram, after some time, te pipasitaha dash. So after some time they become thirsty, right? They were thirsty. Here you see them drinking. So किंचित समयानंतर, after some time, अनंतरम, किंचित समयानंतरम, that is अनंतरम, ते पिपासिताः भवन्ति. ओके. शीतकपाटिकायां, अतः शीतकपाटिकायां, शीत and शीतकपाटिकायां is also a refrigerator. So किम अस्ति इति ते dash. So अतः is so or therefore they see if there is anything in the refrigerator. So they see the, this is पश्यन्ति. अतः शीतकपाटिकायां किम अस्ति इति ते पश्यन्ति. तत्र पानकनिर्माणाय सर्वं साहित्यम अस्ति. तत्र पानकनिर्माणं, to make a juice or you can say sharbat. Okay. Sarvam sahityam asti. There was all those ingredients were there to make a drink. Okay. So atah te panakam, they make a drink, they make a drink, and then kurvanti, they make anandena cha drink. So anandena cha pibanti.